Hey everyone, it's Caitlin with the Maine Mouse. We're going to be covering some of our festival favorites from this year's 2022 Epcot International Festival of the Arts. Let's go ahead and kick this off with a look at some of the merchandise from this year's Festival of the Arts. Figment is always the focal point of this festival, and here we'll be able to find him featured on most of the merchandise. This includes t-shirts, spirit jerseys, dinnerware, magic bands, we've got some hats and some trading pins, some annual pass holder exclusive merchandise, and so much more. Now it's time for our first snack. This orange mousse came from Deco Delights, and this was as delicious as it was beautiful. Coming at you from Joffrey's, this is the Golden Stardust Frap, an acai frap with whipped cream and iridescent stardust. Then we also got the colorful canvas cold brew. This was a sweet cream cold brew with whipped cream and fruity cereal. This was refreshing and delicious. The Paint by Numbers mural is quickly becoming one of our new favorites, and I could see this becoming a tradition. This activity is really fun for adults and kids alike. At the end of your painting experience, they actually give you a bookmark so that you can see the original design for this wall. Here we have a Figment-inspired wall because it's Festival of the Arts. Just fun to see how all of the painting colors come together to create a masterpiece. It was time to drop into one of our favorite pavilions in Epcot, which is Germany. Here we found some 50th anniversary exclusive snacks and just some delicious treats in general. Heading over into the China Pavilion, we could not wait to get our hands on this char siu pork bun. This was so delicious, and it was actually a filling little snack. I highly recommend this one.
Las altas y las chaparritas, las flacas, las gordas y las chiquititas, suelteras y vigas y divorciaditas, me encantan las chatas de cara bonita.
Going into the Epcot experience area, I was surprised to find one of the 50th anniversary croissant donuts. Though this color scheme on the donut did not match the iridescent feel of all the other 50th snacks, this was still delicious nonetheless. Heading over to the new Encanto themed booth, we got the chorizo and potato empanada, and of course the beautiful passion fruit mousse. Both of these snacks were so delicious and actually quite filling. The empanada had a really nice turmeric aioli, which gave it a nice kick of flavor, while the passion fruit mousse actually had a dragon fruit jam on the inside, and of course a Mirabelle-inspired white chocolate token on the top. Another highlight from our trip was of course the return of the character meet and greets. The princesses really took their time to engage with all of the children and make their interactions extra magical and extra special. And of course, because this is the Festival of the Arts, here we have some booths set up for local artists throughout World Showcase. A lot of their paintings, artwork, and other crafts are available for purchase. And due to the nature of their content and some copyright issues, I wanted to be mindful of how much I filmed. I wanted to give you guys an idea of what some of these booths look like and some of the art that you could look forward to seeing. Wrapping up our day of delicious treats, we went over to Mexico where we got the chocolate taco, the huarache verde, and of course the carne asada. These made for a really nice light dinner right before the fireworks.